So if your vehicle, car, or truck is having trouble starting, this could be the problem. So basically what this truck was doing is I put the key in the ignition and it would ding, go to turn it over, and then when I would hit start, it would go make kind of like a shorting sound. So ding, 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 and then you turn it and it goes and it kind of makes this weird shorting sound. So the problem is about battery terminal connection. I'm going to give you kind of more some of the symptoms before I go up front and show you what I did to fix it. It might be starting every couple tries or every hour or so. It might start once and then it'll go back to that, or it'll go back to nothing at all when you put the key in. It's just very fickle, which that means that you've got a very fickle connection and some problems there. So I'll take you on around to the front. Basically what it is first thing I would do is just check your battery with a meter and just make sure that you've got enough voltage. When you have any problem like this where it's not starting, just check to see how much voltage you have. Should have around 12. But with this situation, I checked it, but I could also visibly see that the plus side battery terminal connection was just really corroded. So I made an assumption that that's what the problem was. There was all this corrosion around here, making it so the connection wasn't secure enough to start every time. It would start sometimes, but not every time. So basically all I had to do was just pull everything off. So get your wrenches and everything, pull everything off, and then get a wire brush that attaches to a drill. Looks kind of like a circular thing with a stick on the end, and you put it in your drill and it brushes all that off. You can buy them at Harbor Freight, any tool store. Harbor Freight ones are the cheapest ones. So I don't think that's where this one is from, but I have some from Harbor Freight. There are some that are made to fit right around the terminal post. You can get those are good, but I would just, if you don't know what that is, I would just Google a wire brush. I don't know, a power drill wire brush or something like that. And get one of those, attach it to your drill, and brush it off. You could probably also do a hand brush. It might take more time, and there's probably other methods. I think I've read stuff on people using some sort of soda because of the acid in it. You have to look that up and see, but I don't know that you'd want to do that around the rest of the engine. I would consult some other videos for that. I just haven't done that. So anyway, hopefully this helps somebody. If you have any questions, let me know. Give me a holler. This is my S10 on the front, but GMC everywhere else. Peace out.